Some people are born with wealth and financial security. Good for them. But if you're not one of the lucky few, you can still live a life of comfort and financial freedom. According to a 2019 study by WealthX and Fidelity Investment, around 80% of millionaires achieve their wealth without inheritance, relying instead on hard work and smart financial decisions. Being financially secure isn't just about earning more money, but also about adopting specific habits that can boost your wealth over time. So today, we will explore the 4 millionaire habits that will make you rich. Self-made millionaires share certain common habits that set them apart from the rest. For instance, a study by Thomas Corley found that 88% of wealthy individuals read for at least 30 minutes a day, compared to just 2% of those with lower incomes. Additionally, a report from Fidelity Investment shows that 81% of millionaires maintain a strict budget and track their spending. These habits might seem simple, but their impact is profound. This video is all about changing your mindset and laying the groundwork for great habits that will transform your financial future and make you rich. Don't worry about making drastic, life-altering changes overnight. Start a new routine and see how even small changes can have a big impact. In this video, you will learn about 4 habits that many wealthy people adopt, how to build healthy habits over the long term, and how to track your habits. Stick around for our bonus tip on which book to read if you want to adopt healthy habits and transform your life. Let's start with the 4 millionaire habits that will make you rich. Habit 1. Lifelong learning. Rich people actively seek out new information, whether through reading books, attending seminars, or taking online courses. This habit keeps them informed about market trends and investment strategies and enhances their problem-solving skills. Lifelong learners are curious and open-minded, constantly looking for ways to improve themselves and their financial situation. They often explore diverse subjects from personal finance and entrepreneurship to psychology and technology, which allows them to make informed decisions. Additionally, this habit fosters a growth mindset, enabling millionaires to view challenges as learning experiences rather than setbacks. How do you create this habit? Cultivating a lifelong learning habit is easier than you think. First, start by setting aside just a few minutes each day for reading or listening to podcasts on topics that interest you. We've linked some great podcasts in the comments. Second, surround yourself with curious people who inspire you to learn and discuss ideas. Third, keep an open mind and embrace challenges. Habit 2. Becoming okay with leaving your comfort zone. Successful individuals understand that growth and wealth often lie beyond the boundaries of their comfort zones. This habit involves taking calculated risks, trying new strategies, and pushing personal limits. When it comes to financial freedom, leaving your comfort zone might mean: first, starting a side hustle or business; second, networking with people outside your usual circles; third, negotiating for better salaries or deals; and fourth, learning new skills to increase your earning potential. Moreover, becoming comfortable with discomfort helps you overcome the fear of failure, a common obstacle in achieving your financial goals. How do you create this millionaire habit? To create a habit of becoming okay with leaving your comfort zone, try these strategies. First, start small. Begin with low-risk activities that push you slightly out of your comfort zone. For example, start by investing a small sum. Second, practice regularly. Make it a point to do something outside your comfort zone daily or weekly. Practice makes perfect. Third, embrace failure and celebrate success. Failure is a natural part of growth. Analyze your mistakes, learn from them, and celebrate the wins. Habit 3. Creating a budget and investment plan and sticking to it. Creating a budget is like drawing a roadmap for your money, and it's not as boring as it sounds. Budgeting is all about knowing where your cash is going. Start by tracking your monthly expenses. You might be surprised where your money is sneaking off to. Once you have a clear picture, set realistic spending limits for different categories. Investments is where your money gets to work for you. Begin by setting clear financial goals, maybe retiring early or buying your dream home. Then create a diversified investment portfolio that aligns with these goals. Don't put all your eggs in one basket. How do you create this habit? Consistency is key. Stick to your budget and investment plan like glue. Set up automatic transfers to your savings and investment accounts right after payday. Remember, this habit is all about playing the long game. It might feel tough at first, but keep at it. If you're unsure where to start, check out our video on the 70-20-10 budget hack or on investment for beginners. Before we share the final habit, please take a minute to like and subscribe. Your support means the world to us and allows us to create more content for you. Share the habits that work for you in the comments below. Habit 4. Positive thinking and abundance theory. This mindset shift can significantly impact your financial journey. It worked for us. First, positive thinking involves approaching your finances with a constructive attitude. Instead of thinking, "I'll never be good with money," reframe it to, "I'm consciously learning and improving my financial skills." This change in perspective can enhance your financial confidence and decision-making. For women, this mindset shift is particularly empowering, as we often tend to put ourselves down. Next, consider the abundance theory, which says ample resources and opportunities are available. This theory helps combat the belief that limited high-paying jobs or investment opportunities exist. Embracing the idea that wealth is attainable for everyone can inspire you to pursue your financial goals more boldly. How do you create this habit? First, take charge of your thoughts. Recognize that you have control over your thoughts. When negative thoughts arise, consciously redirect them and focus on positive outcomes. Second, practice gratitude. Begin or end each day by listing 3 things that you're grateful for. This simple practice shifts your focus from what you lack to what you have, fostering a sense of abundance. Third, use positive language. The words you choose matter. Replace negative self-talk with affirmations and positive statements. Finally, surround yourself with positive influences. Engage with people who uplift and inspire you. By constantly applying these strategies, you can develop a strong habit of positive thinking that supports your journey towards financial freedom. Once you decide on a habit, tracking it is key. Check out these apps to help you track. We are not affiliated with any of them. Loop. Loop is a free and open source habit tracking app for Android. It offers a straightforward interface and allows you to track multiple habits. While it may be less polished than some other options, it provides essential features. Habit Now. Habit Now is another excellent choice. It offers a free plan that allows you to track up to 7 habits and includes features for daily, weekly, and monthly habits, along with reminders. Habitica. This app gamifies habit tracking, turning it into a role-playing game where you can earn rewards for completing tasks. It's free for most features. Bonus tip. Let's look at some literature that can help you cultivate good habits. You might already know The 7 Habits of Highly Effective People by Stephen R. Covey, or Atomic Habits, an easy and proven way to build good habits and break bad ones by James Clear. Both are great reads. However, specifically for women, we recommend The Confidence Code, The Science and Art of Self-Assurance, What Women Should Know, by Kathy Kay and Claire Shipman. This book explores the importance of confidence in achieving personal and professional goals and offers insights into overcoming self-doubt and adopting empowering habits. Check out your local library for a copy. So there you have it. 4 Millionaire Habits to transform your financial mindset and reality. Pick one habit and start today. Embrace the process, stay accountable, and celebrate your achievements. With time, these millionaire habits will become integral to your life, leading you towards financial freedom. Thanks for watching. Follow us to catch all of our financial freedom, job, and finance tips. And don't forget, you got this.